Olá, pessoal! Eu estou voltando hoje com o meu segundo vídeo sobre plurais irregulares em inglês. Mas antes de dar início ao nosso tema, eu gostaria de agradecer aqueles que assistiram o primeiro vídeo sobre os plurais regulares, aqueles que se inscreveram e que também curtiram o meu vídeo. Lembrando que qualquer dúvida que vocês tenham, podem deixar seus comentários que eu respondo assim que for possível. Okay, so let's get started with our English tips for today. The first thing you guys should keep in mind is that an irregular plural noun is a noun that does not take s, es, or ies at the end. So we have either the same spelling form or different spelling forms. Here we have nouns that have different spelling forms. Let's check them out. For example, a man, one man. The plural form, 2 men, 3 men. So you see, here I have letter E, which indicates plural, 2 men, 3 men. The singular form, letter A. Okay, so a man, 2 men. Our next noun, a child. The plural form, children. A foot, 1 foot. The plural form, feet, 2 feet. A tooth, 2 teeth. A woman, 2 women. Here, I would like you guys to notice that not only the spelling is slightly different. A woman with A, 2 women, 3 women with letter E. But here, the pronunciation also differs. So, singular form, a woman, 2 women. Our final word for this slide, a person, the plural form of a person, people. Let's move on to our next slide. This slide includes nouns that do not change at all. They have the same spelling form for singular or plural. The first one, a sheep, 1 sheep. The plural form, 2 sheep, 3 sheep. Then we have fish, 1 fish, 2 fish, 3 fish. And our final noun, a mouse, 1 mouse, 2 mice. Okay. I would just like to highlight that there are many other irregular nouns in English. I just selected some so we can practice a little bit. And I would also like to highlight that in academic and scientific context, it is possible to see the word fishes, okay, when we are referring to more than 1 species of fish, but only in scientific context. Okay, so don't use this on a daily basis because it's wrong, all right? This slide includes foreign words that are used in English. So let's see their singular and plural form. Our first word is crisis, the singular form, crisis. The plural form, crises. So crisis, singular, crises, plural. Then we have analysis, singular, analysis. Its plural form, analyses. Okay, analysis, analyses. And our last word, genus. Genus, singular, plural form, genera. Okay. So guys, this is it. As I said before, there are many other words. I just selected some so we can practice a little bit. Now I'm just going to show you some sentences so we can practice a little bit of what we have seen in sentences. Okay, let's go. My first sentence is, teaching children is always fun. The singular form of children, child. I have many tropical fish. If you take a look at this tank, there are many types of fish. However, we use fish for plural and singular. They have the same spelling form. I stood up all day. My feet are killing me. This means that my feet are sore, both of my feet. The singular form, foot. Our next sentence, who are these beautiful women in this picture? The singular form of women, woman. When do children start losing their baby teeth? The singular form, tooth. Sheep are often bred for wool. The singular form of sheep is also sheep. Mice are commonly used in laboratory experiments. The singular form of mice, mouse. And our final slide. The world has been facing many crises. In your opinion, what is the biggest crisis? Crisis singular, crises plural. Okay? Well, guys, I hope you have found the slides useful. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thank you for watching this video. And again, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe so you can get our weekly classes, our weekly tips. And if you enjoyed it, if you found our video useful, please hit the like button. Have a lovely week. See you soon.